The next thing you may want to do is create segments. Segments are in fact filters that have been saved to give you quick access to some of your customer data. You can then reuse them to perform actions or to make them part of your workflows. To create segments, go to the Layout Editor again, then to the Collection settings, and create a first segment in the No Code Editor. Give it a name and pick a field and a value from the list. The statuses you can see in the list are stored in our demo database. It's as simple as that. Just don't forget to turn it on before saving. As you can see, the new segment has appeared and it gives you an instant access to companies that require additional documents to be onboarded. Repeat the same process to create segments with approved and rejected users or companies. This video only shows basic UI customizations. You can do more, for example, smart fields, merge first names and last names, or compute the length of the contract, and so on.